Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video we will discuss in detail that how to draw a beam in 2D using AutoCAD. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So we have to draw a beam in AutoCAD and 2D. So we will use these specification to draw the beam, where the length of the beam is 20 feet, depth is 20 inches, width is 14 inches, and the bottom bars are 6, number 6 bars, means the dia of the bar is 6 by 8 inches, and the top main bar is also number 6 bar, but there should be 3 bars. And the strap should be provided of number 3 bars at the rate 10 inches center to center distance. So let's start the uh, drawing of the beam. So we will click here, we'll specify the first point of the line, and will then enter the length of the beam, which is equal to 20 feet. So this is 20 feet, so this is 20 feet, and will then enter a line L of the depth of the beam, which is 20 inches, and then again 20 feet, and then the depth of the beam is 20 inches. So till now the concrete section, long section of the beam has been dropped. Now we have to draw the reinforcement. So for the reinforcement, we will use the cover. So in beam normally we use 25 mm, which is equal to 1 inches, 1 inch cover. So this is a rectangle square whose each side is equal to 1 inches. So the same will be copied. So the same will be copied to the another end of the beam. So copy and paste it in this red point. So now we have to draw the reinforcement. So we will click on the line command, line tool, and then we'll draw the length of the steel, and then provide a hook in the main bar, which is equal to, here we assume that the hook length is equal to 8 inches, and then we enter. So now we can delete this rectangle, and now we have to draw the hook of the main bar at this end by clicking here and then providing the length, which is equal to 8 inches. Now we can copy this line, we can mirror this line to the bottom side of the beam, and we will provide the hook here, whose length is equal to 8 inches. So till now the concrete and main reinforcement has been plotted. So now we have to provide the bend at the reinforcement at this corner. So we will use the palette tool. So we will click on the palette and we'll click on the radius, and we will provide a radius of 2 inches for the fillet. So we will click on the line. So here the palette will be created. So we will do the same for the four corner. And the same to be done for the other corner. So we will click on the palette, then on the radius, on the enter. And then we'll click on here, and then we'll click here. So till now we have dropped these palette also along with the long section of the concrete and the main reinforcement. So now we have to draw the shear reinforcement. So the first stirrup will be provided at the distance of 4 inches from the end of the main reinforcement. So draw a line of 4-inch length and then to draw the first stirrup. So we will click here and we'll click here, and then we'll delete this line and we'll make join this with this. So this is the first stirrup, which is at the 4 inches from this end of the main reinforcement. So now we have to provide the reinforcement throughout the long section of the beam with the specification of number 3 bars at the rate 10 inches center to center distance. So we will use the offset tool and provide the offset distance of which is 10 inches. So through this we will provide the so these are the stirrups which are separated by a distance of 10 inches from center to center. So as you can see that these stirrups has been provided at a distance of 10 inches from center to center. So now we will assign the different designation to the stirrups, the main bars and to the concrete. So by using the multi-leader, so we will click on this and we will click here and we'll find the concrete. This is the concrete. So we will change the size to 3 inches. So this is the concrete, and now we call this is to be the stirrups. We will change the size of the text from here to 3 inches. Then OK and then close. So the size is now 3 inches up. And to this main bars at the bottom, so we will click on here. The name is bottom main bars, which is 6 number 6 bar. And also we will show the dimensions of the beam. So from here to so the size, the text size is very high, is very large, so we will change the size of the text from 10 inches to 5 inches. So now you can see that the size has been changed. So we will delete it and we'll draw another. So still the size is very large of the text, so we will make it more to be more reduced from 5 inches to 3 inches. So now the size is somewhat good. So the depth of the beam is equal to 1 feet and 8 inches, which is equal to 20 inches, and the length of the beam from here to here it is 20 feet, and the cover is being from here to here is 1 inches, and also from here to here it is also 1 inch. So this was all about the beam to draw in 2D. So now if you have any questions, so you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.